How to transfer domain from Bluehost to Godaddy. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer your domain from Bluehost to Godaddy. So first you need to log in your Bluehost account and then go to your domain manager. After that go to godaddy.com and then on the top bar click on domain and then select transfer domain name. Now enter your domain name and then click on search. Now you need to enter your authorization code. So you will get the authorization code from your Bluehost account. So just you need to log in your Bluehost account and then go to your domain manager and then you will be able to see the authorization code. After that enter the authorization code and then click on continue and then your domain will be transferred to godaddy.com. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.